Hello class! Welcome to our YouTube channel, and this is our second video. And at this video, we will learn about what is an accountant. So pag-uusapan natin ngayon, ano ba or sino ba ang mga CPAs or the Certified Public Accountant? Certified Public Accountant should be a holder of a baccalaureate degree in Bachelor of Science in Accountancy or the BSA in any universities, colleges under the Commission in Higher Education. The Certified Public Accountant should also taken and passed the difficult and competitive licensure examination for the Certified Public Accountant. And those licensure examination was supervised by the Professional Regulation Commission in the practice of his profession or the PRC. Certified Public Accountant also carries a CPA title, and that is what the Certified Public Accountant means. Next is we will discuss how can accountants, because we already know what is an accountant. Now, we will discuss how can accountants be of help to the business and at the same time to the government. Always remember that businesses put their business because one of their main goal is to earn a profit. But how do the business know their profits? So that is the time they will need accountants, because accountants, they are the one who will compute or know the profit of the business. So he or she will be the one who will prepare for the financial statements of that certain businesses. Then at the same time, accountants may be of help in the government. For what? Because of the taxes. We all know that taxes is considered as the lifeblood of a nation. For how can a nation lived and survived without funds to defray government expenses in delivering basic services, social and economic reforms, infrastructure projects, and other programs beneficial to its constituents? So the accountants, they are the one who will prepare for the financial statements and at the same time the taxes for both the business and the government. And now let's also discuss what are the career opportunities of an accountant. So if you are a student or a person who is planning to become a certified public accountant in the future, here are the following career opportunities of an accountant. First career opportunity of an accountant is in public accounting. Under this field, so CPAs are in public practice. So in public accounting, CPAs are in public practice. Then they are the employee of the client company under audit, and they should assume the role of an independent entity. The work in this career opportunities includes auditing, So it includes auditing, taxation, management services, and etc. So once the CPA will choose this field, he or she will become a sectoral member of the Profession Association of CPAs in Public Practice, or the ACPAP. ACPAP means Association of CPAs in Public Practice. Association of CPAs in Public Practice. Next career opportunities of an accountant is government accounting. Under this field, they have to render services to the government. Render services to the government. From the word itself, government accounting. They will be employed in the Department of Finance or DFA, Securities and Exchange Commission, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, or any other government agencies here in the Philippines. And at the same time, they will also be employed under the local government units in the different municipalities. In the government accounting, this widens job opportunities of an accountant. And once they will choose this field, they will become a sectoral member of the Profession Government Association of CPAs, or the GACPA. So they will become a sectoral member of the Profession Government Association of CPAs, or GACPA. Next career opportunities is private accounting. Under this field, CPAs will gain employment in where? In private firms. They will gain employment in private firms. And if they will be going into the private firms, they will hold positions such as chief accountant, accounting manager, internal auditor, and so on and so forth. And once they will choose this field, they will become a sectoral member of the Profession Association of CPAs in Commerce and Industry, or the ACPAC. So if they will choose this field, they will become a sectoral member of the Association of CPAs in Commerce and Industry, or the ACPAC. And another career opportunities is accounting education. Under these fields, CPAs join in the academe. They are our accounting professors, researchers, CPA reviewers, and at the same time, authors of the different books in accounting. So, in accounting education, they will join in the academe. And once they will choose this field, they will become a sectoral member of the Association of CPAs in Education, or the ACPAE. ACPAE. Association of CPAs in Education. By the way, other accountants will also have or will also become an entrepreneurs where they manage their own business. And all CPAs, note that all CPAs are members of the national professional organization called or known as the Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountant, or the CP or the PICPA, Philippine Institute of a Certified Public Accountant, or the PICPA. So that's it for our video for today. Hope you learned something about what is an accountant, how can accountants be of help to business and government, and what are the career opportunities of an accountant. Thank you, class. Goodbye.